Hello, and thank you for joining. Well, I hope you joined. Anyway, so what I'm going to do tonight is a little bit of an experiment. I'm going to make a dessert. So I've got all these like goodies, and I'm just going to throw it all up in here, and then I'm going to blend it. So far right now I've got my coconut milk, poured the whole can in here. And I've also got this silken tofu, and I'm just going to plop it in here with, whoops, I guess I should take the water out. No, there's not any water. Okay, so I'm going to just plop this in here, just like that. And then I'm going to take these chia seeds, and I'm going to use a tablespoon of chia seed. Pull up that in there. And I'm also going to put some carob powder. So I'm going to put, same thing, I'm going to go for a nice full teaspoon of carob powder. I'm going to put a little bit more because I think carob is really delicious. Just a little bit like that. Okay. And I am also going to put some of my cacao powder. So I'm going to basically be working into a chocolatey tablespoon, one hefty teaspoon of cacao. And I'm going to use my protein powder from my Herbalife. It's Herbalife chocolate soy protein powder. And I'm going to use 2 scoops of that. 2 scoops of the chocolate protein powder, Herbalife protein drink mix. And I'm going to use my cafe latte flavor. This is the healthy meal mix. This is, basically between the 2 of these is 24 grams of protein. Okay, and then my soft tofu, I've got 4 grams of protein, and there's 4 servings, so I got 16 grams of protein in here. And then I got my chia seeds. 2 scoops right here, actually, just catching up, of the Herbalife Healthy Meal Formula 1 mix. I'll do the protein count, and list that later. Now, what I'm also going to put in here is 1 whole frozen, I cut it in half, frozen banana. And then what I get to do is take this all over to, I really do want to put something else in here, so just 1 second. So in my shakes, when I make my shakes, I put, I'm going to use half a teaspoon. I put maca powder in my shakes. It's a nutritional, very nutritional root, and I also, it helps to support muscle integrity and hormone balance. Then I've also got my hemp hearts. So I'm going to put in a nice full half a teaspoon of that too. All right. So I'm going to put this lid on, lock it, and then we get to go over here where I'm going to put it onto the blender and lock it in. Okay, like that, and blend. Oops, there's an error. Oops, hold on. This has to work, everybody. Okay. excited about is that this is going to be a healthy version of plant-based, a vegan version of a pudding. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and tonight let it get nice and cool, and maybe tonight I'll dip into it, but basically all in all, that is how I made my version of a healthy pudding. Okay? Thank you.